Usborne first reading. Dr. Foster went to Gloucester. Retold by Russell Punter and illustrated by David Semple. Dr. Foster is off on his rounds, but wherever he goes, the weather always seems to cause him problems. Join him on his eventful tour of England in this fun retelling of the classic nursery rhyme. Dr. Foster went to Gloucester. In a shower of rain, he stepped in a puddle. Right up to his middle, and never went there again. Dr. Foster went to Oxford. In a cloud of fog, he just couldn't see, bumped into a tree. And splat, he fell into a bag. Dr. Foster went to Gloucester. In a howling gale, the wind was so strong, it blew him along, and flew down the street with a wail. Dr. Foster went to Stockton. In the swirling snow, the frost bit his nose, his spectacles froze. Dr. Foster went to Bugmore. In the sizzling heat, he took off his socks, fell asleep on some rocks, and got sunburned all over his feet. Dr. Foster told his daughter, "I'm not going to Rome. I'll see patients here, with my family near. From now on, there's no place like home." Puzzles, Puzzle 1. Can you spot the differences between these two pictures? There are 6 to find. Puzzle 2. Match the weather to the picture. Puzzle 3. Find these things in the picture. Answers to puzzles. Puzzle 1. Puzzle 2. Please like, share and subscribe to Arso Academy and not forget to hit the bell icon for more interesting stories.